There ain't no tino rangatiratanga here. There ain't no tino rangatiratanga here. We have to get a partnership going.
Kāre ngā mema paremata I pupuri I ā rātou anō ki tēnei tautohe whakaharahara.
The ruling of 21 days suspension for the co-leaders with the ruling of 7 days on top of 7 days already served by Ms Maipi Clark is severe and unprecedented and completely out of proportion.
That's the way they think they can behave. The Māori Party are a bunch of extremists, and Middle New Zealand and the Māori world has had enough of them. The one in the cowboy hat who hates colonialism, the one that's shouting down there with the scribbles on his face, the guy that's got half the South Island hanging on his neck.
Point of order, Mr. Peters.
Nā e kōkiri tonu ana ngā kōrero mo te whakatārewa ake I ngā mema paremata mai Te Pāti Māori.
This person that hates Western values and wears cowboy hats in this parliament is, as I say, an extremist. And the Māori world has had enough. In a poll recently, the majority of New Zealanders massively said that either the Select Committee's finding was correct or should be more severe. Not less severe, more severe. And out there in ordinary New Zealand, they understand what we're doing. New Zealand is a democracy, and whether the Pāti Māori like it or not, and using Māori culture as an excuse for their disgraceful behaviour is an insult to Māoridom.
No te rātou I hakaina ngā mema o Te Pāti Māori, hei porotēhī atu I te pire mātāpono o te tiriti o Waitangi. I huri rauna tēnei haka puta noa I te ao, a neke atu I te miriona o ngā tāngata kua mātaki I runga I ngā pai pāpori pāpāho pēnei I a TikTok. I kaha tautoko a Willie Jackson no Te Pāti Reipa I a Te Pāti Māori.
I want to congratulate Te Pāti Māori, Mr. Speaker, for the greatest exhibition of our culture in the House in my lifetime. In my lifetime.
Countless people have done haka in this parliament. Now, before your time, sunshine, you're going to be here gone tomorrow. I've seen your type. Come on. No one will remember you very shortly. But here he goes. But he's got a motor mouth.
Ko tā Chloe Swarbrick no Te Pāti Kākāriki, he whakatake I ngā whakawhiunga ka pā mai ki Te Pāti Māori.
The historical precedent for punishment and for suspension in this House is so far out of whack from what has been handed down by the Honourable Judith Collins and the Privileges Committee. The longest suspension previously was for 3 days.
Me te mea hoki, he whakautu kei te taha maui.
We would have preferred to pause the Privileges Committee proceedings while the newly established Tikanga Committee evaluates the incorporation of tikanga in Parliament.
Whilst they can't claim credit for cooperation, nor can they say they were denied an opportunity to explain, neither can they be punished.
Heoi anō, ko tā te taha katau, he tika ēnei whakawhiunga.
By playing the race card, they have been trying to shift the narrative.
They don't want democracy, they want anarchy. They don't want one country, they don't want one law, they don't want one people, they want separatism, division and laws based on race.
E haere tonu ana te tautohe, a tāre ana te wā kia kite ai tātou I ngā whakataunga mo Te Pāti Māori. Shakayla Andrews-Alapaki, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.